What's up guys? So today's video we're going to be installing LED lights again. So I'm trying to get this right. This is for the lights that go around the license plate area. So the ones that surround the license plate area, basically just illuminate there. I put in cheap 99-cent ones that you guys probably saw the video on before, but these ones basically are a name brand one that we're going to try this time. So these are Sylvania ones, they're LED. And I'm hoping I put these in, they won't throw an error, and that they'll last a little bit longer, because actually one of the ones, and hopefully I can catch it on film, but one of the ones sometimes has a little flickering tendency on the one side. So, and again, I can't really expect too much from those guys. I mean, they were 99 cents, so I mean, they did their part, they still work, they function. One of them might be flickering, they throw the light on the dash, but for the most part, I mean, this install is super straightforward. It's not really complicated, but I want to basically review these for you guys to see if they actually work for our trucks and they don't cause a lot of headaches. They were super cheap. I was at Walmart and actually saw them on the shelf, so they were like $6 a piece, so whatever you want to call it, like 12 bucks for two of them. So I'm gonna give these guys a shot again and let's see how they hold up. Okay, so to remove it, you're basically just gonna stick your hand up here. You're gonna turn this counterclockwise, the connector, and it's gonna fall out, and then you're gonna see it like that. Break these guys out of the package here. And swap our bulb. Well, there's the old one. Slide the new one in here. You'll also want to check for polarity because I think they only work one way. So let's go ahead and hit our key. Doesn't work right now. So we take this out, flip it 180 degrees. Of course it works now, so we're good to go. Put it up here. So you put it up in and then you turn it clockwise and it's in place. There's how it looks now. That's a comparison to that one. And here's the cheap 99-cent one. So this one looks a little bit more blue than the Sylvania one, which is okay. This one's just a clean white light. So let's go ahead and swap the other side. Same thing on this side. You're gonna turn it counterclockwise. Pull it down. And then of course you have your bulb. You're gonna wiggle it out. Same thing as before. You get your Sylvania bulb. Pop it in. If it doesn't illuminate, take it out. Flip it 180 degrees. Good to go. Throw it back in. And turn it clockwise. Okay, so here's the color of both sides during the day, and hope that they don't throw light on the dash. Okay guys, so it's been a couple days now since I put those Sylvania bulbs in the back, and it has come up before, but let's see if this error message is still coming out. Let's see what we got here. So we'll cycle through to our messages. Yeah, this one here, service tire pressure system. That's because I still don't have those sensors in, but this one, for sakes, it still it doesn't work. So, yeah, I'm gonna pull those bulbs out of there. I mean, they were $6 or $7 a piece plus tax, and then obviously the 99-cent ones. Oh, 99-cent ones that I had that for the pair, they basically worked fine. They worked the same as this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the cheap ones back in and probably return those Sylvania ones, but I'll keep on the lookout for ones that actually are CAN bus compatible, because it doesn't appear that these ones are. And I'm gonna finally find some that actually work correctly, so don't worry, I will get those in there. So I'll find those, and at the same time too, try to find those bulbs, and hopefully we get this all sorted out once and for all. But I'm gonna try to make it work, and hopefully we don't have to cut into the harness or do any resistors or anything like that. So that's the goal. I know this wasn't the outcome I wanted, but again, this is me trying stuff for you guys. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.